print even numbers from 1 to 10. So let's use the for loop. We'll use the for loop. So it's Control KC to comment. So for I in what? In range, and then 1 to, because we want even numbers between, only even numbers from 1 to 10. So that is that. And then if, how do you get an even number? So I percentage, remember modulus in our second class, percentage 2. So you're dividing it by 2, and then if the result is equals 0, that means it's an even number, so we print it. If the result is not an even number, remember the indentation, guys, else. Let's just continue. So this means anytime it hits an odd number between 1 and 10, it will continue. So let's see, continue. Let's see, guys, let's see. So 2, so remember 1, you have 2, so it gets to 3 divided by 2 is not, the result is not 0, so it will not execute the print, but it will go to the else. The else says continue until it gets to 10. So 11 is the end of it. So 10. So that is how you print only